Hello guys, this is Brian here with a product review. I'll be reviewing the TruNutrition Magic Pudding Chocolate flavor. This company called BodyNutrition.com, they also make protein powders as well. And you can go on their website and order samples. Um, their samples are $1.99 each, so that's pretty good price for samples. You can order all the flavors you want, but you can only order one flavor at a time. So you can't order 5 of the same flavor. You can only do like one of the chocolate and one of the vanilla, so on and so on. The two flavors that the magic pudding comes in is chocolate and caramel vanilla. Let me start by saying, do not mix this in a regular shaker bottle at all, like I did. Because what happens is it expands and it popped up the lid and it went all over the kitchen and myself. So that's why I don't have it to review. Otherwise, I would. Um, and I would taste it, but it wasn't mixed up at all. I mean, it just flew all the place after I added this and start shaking it. But I do have the chocolate to review. Like I said, they do make protein powders as well. I didn't care for them that much. Some of the flavors were okay, but they got real thick if you left them in the refrigerator after a while and things like that. Now, on here, it says 26 grams of TruNutrition protein, but it turns around and says 28 grams protein per scoop on the side, but on the nutrition facts it's 26. So I don't know if it's a typo, but the nutrition label on nutrition and the website says 28. So maybe it is a typo for some odd reason. But this is what the little pack looks like. And I think Vitamin Shop sells this as well. Because that's the guy was telling me, because I was asking about the Power Pack pudding, and everybody says the 3 employees that was there told me it was nasty. Don't buy it. So this is 170 calories, 15 from fat, 15 carbs, 6 sugars, and supposed to be 28 grams of protein. Oh, if you want to read that. I added milk. I do my protein shakes and things like that in milk and not in water. They don't taste good in water, so that's just my personal preference. So I added 5 ounces of milk, and I did mix it like it says. Now mine took a little bit longer to set up and make it, look like it was mixed better after a minute or two of mixing instead of 30 seconds. Because at the 30-second mark, it just didn't look like it was mixed in. You got little glops. Um, just like if you're making, pour the Jello brand pudding out and mix it. Just like how you do this. We'll sample. Like I said, don't do this in a shaker bottle because it will explode the lid off and it will go over the place. So this is what it looks like. Chocolate. Smells extremely good. It smells real chocolatey, cocoa. Now, of course, I've been eating all this, so since last night. And let's see if I can get a spoonful here. It's not thick, per se, but it's a little bit runny. Because I added just a tad bit more milk after I mixed it. Because it looked like it was just a little bit too thick, so I added a little bit of milk. It says you can do that, so that's what I did for mine. And I let this sit in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 hours before I tasted it. And then I stuck it back in and ate some today as well. But this is very good. I give this a 5 out of 5. Matter of fact, this is way better than the Jello brand chocolate sugar-free chocolate pudding. Way better. The chocolate pudding, I don't know if it's just made, the sugar-free Jello pudding, the chocolate just didn't, to me, don't have very much strong taste to it. I don't know if it's just me. or other people found that to be true as well. Um, so you can order this $1.99 from the manufacturer's website, which is bodynutrition.com. I'm thinking about getting a jug of this when I get some money. Because you can order this from Nutrition for $30.95, or you can go order from the manufacturer website. I think it's $36 and plus shipping, I believe. Um, I think Vitamin Shop does sell this. I think I have seen it. I can't remember if the guy said they did sell it. Um, oh, by the way, I tried a Quest protein powder that Quest came out with there. They did have milk, so I tried it with milk. It was awful. It smelled good. I tried a peanut butter flavor, but ugh, it was awful. Real gritty. Um, real super thick. So, but with this company, with BodyNutrition.com, you can order only one flavor at a time. Unfortunately, like for instance, you can order one chocolate, one vanilla. Then you can only do one flavor at a time, but you can order all the flavors you want to, but just one. You can't do 5 chocolate and 10 other vanilla. Um, just one at a time. But you can go back and order multiple samples. That's what I did with the protein shake um, stuff. To make sure I did like it or if I didn't like it. Most of the flavors were okay with the protein powder version, but some of them were not. They were just thick. I will get around doing the reviews on those, but I tell you what, the chocolate, dead on. It's 5 out of 5. Very good, creamy. I think it tastes like, um, it reminds me of, if you've ever stuck your finger and lick your finger and stuck it in the hot chocolate mix and stick it in your tongue. This is what it tastes like. It's real good. So if you have any questions, comments, please post it below. Um, this is real simple to make. I mean, any fool can do this. All you have to do is pour it in the cup like that did, but don't put it in a shaker bottle like I did, because that went all over the kitchen to myself. It was a disaster, and it took a long time to clean up too. So if you have any questions, comments, please post them below.